Greetings all, Joseph Kursky here. Welcome to Cartographic Design. Hi folks, Joseph Kursky here with you. Week 13, Cartographic Design. An important week. Mapping field data and communicating with maps. How do we do that? How do we map our field data and how do we communicate with maps? Readings and videos, we're going to talk about 5 forces: geo-awareness, geo-enablement, geotechnologies evolved into this web-based cloud that we're using, citizen science, and storytelling for our 5 forces that are acting to make this a key time for you as a cartographic designer in this field. And also talk about geoliteracy a bit more, and also 5 trends in cartography and GIS, and also multimedia cartographic means of communication, infographics, story maps, and dashboards. You've all seen dashboards and infographics and story maps, and we're going to talk about the wider implications of those. And then connecting those tools for more effective communication. And finally, we're going to examine some more web maps, some compelling maps from the Library of Congress. Those are our readings and videos. Now this week in our Week 13 hands-on activities, I'm going to have you create a dashboard in ArcGIS Online. Simple but powerful to be able to do that. It'll serve you well in the future, I think. And then we're going to visualize the expansion of public transportation in ArcGIS Pro. You're going to apply some of the things that you've learned in this course and with ArcGIS Pro to visualize that expansion in 2D and in 3D. So that's Week 13, mapping field data and communicating with maps. Highways are red on maps, rivers are blue, ooh, forests are green on maps, but not always, that's true. All right, we'll see you in Week 13.